is how it works.
Hey everyone, DB Explorer here, and welcome to this journey to Railay Beach. I'm going to take you on a full walking tour of Railay East, Railay West, and Phra Nang Beach. Along the way, we're going to see some really cool rock formations. I'm also going to show you the mangrove area, the rock wall that you can climb to see the viewpoint and access the lagoon. We will walk through the shopping areas. We can grab some souvenirs or a bite to eat. And at the end of the video, we'll take the full boat ride back from Railay to Phra Nang Pier. I'm going to share 3 tips which I promise you will make your journey more enjoyable if you follow them. I filmed all of the footage myself, and I want to thank you for supporting non-AI created content. Let's start this journey from Phra Nang Pier.
Off to jump on the longtail boat to Railay. This is how it works.
The boat ride from Phra Nang Pier takes approximately 15 minutes. It costs 100 baht each way, which is approximately $3 to $4. For tip number 1, to avoid the crowds, I suggest that you go early in the morning. This is Railay West Beach, and it will get super crowded around noon and later on in the afternoon. There are a few good swimming areas here. However, there's quite a bit of boat traffic, so keep that in mind as well.
Sorry. So this little area here is what you'd expect in a very touristy place.
As you exit the Railay West area, you will find some walking paths that bring you to Railay East and to Phra Nang Beach. There are awesome cave formations all along this area, or rock formations. For tip number 2, bring comfortable walking shoes or sandals. You will be walking 3 to 5 kilometers or 2 to 3 miles along this journey. If you plan to climb the rock wall to access the viewpoint or to access the lagoon, then you will definitely want good walking shoes. I did not access this cave area here. They were asking for 200 baht per person. I've heard that you can negotiate that down to 100 baht per person if you are 2 people. I found the rock formations along the walking trail to be spectacular, so I decided not to go in. If you have any questions about this journey, just leave them in the comments and I will respond.
And here's Railay Beach East. And right onto a mangrove here. Do not draw on cliff surface and the cave wall. Cliff should be cliff.
Yeah. I was like, you know, you sound like.
Now I'm in peak tourism time. You found a tree? Hello.
This is the rock wall that I was referring to, which takes you up to the viewpoint. Once you reach the top, you can also climb down towards a lagoon. I've been advised that that climb is very challenging, which is why you want to have good shoes. I took a pass on this area. Just please be careful if you choose to tackle that climb. For tip number 3, the best swimming areas are at Phra Nang Beach because there is less traffic from the longtail boats in this location. The scenery here is spectacular. There is also a fertility shrine, which I am not allowed to show on YouTube.
To get back to Ao Nang from Railay, you buy a ticket from these guys here. Looks like that. It's 100 baht. The boat drivers are right here. Once they have enough to put on a boat, they head out.
Overall, I think Railay is worth checking out. There are a lot of tourists, especially during high season. If you go early in the morning, bring good walking shoes, and swim at Phra Nang Beach, have yourself a great day. If you're staying in the Ao Nang area, then check out my video where I walk along the monkey trail to access Plong Beach. That's another beautiful beach, especially early in the morning. The trail is not too challenging. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps support the growth of the channel. More importantly, have a great trip wherever you decide to go. Peace.